Hello everyone, welcome back to another riding video. Today we're ripping out on the farm. Oh, my pegs are so slippery, bro. I need to sharpen them. Like, my feet are like just slipping off right now. This is gonna suck. They're so dull. Well, I mean, the stock Honda pegs do kind of suck though, so like, you know. Sharpen these with a file. I think I'm just gonna sharpen these with a file to save money. And also then I'll have to wait a couple days for pegs to come in. I feel like my feet are just gonna slip off, dude. I'm gonna have to just run my feet flat-footed this whole entire time, I guess. My feet are just gonna fall off if I don't. If I run them in attack stance, not gonna be able to ride that well. So, that sounded very feminine for no reason at all. What the fuck? Alright, these pegs are gonna be stupid today, I guess. I gotta sharpen them so bad. Been meaning to do it for a while. I'm just a lazy piece of poop. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to figure something out with these. These are just not gonna be the move today. I'm gonna have to like ride like by my heels. That's not gonna be too good, but you know. Okay. It's gonna absolutely stink. Yeah, my feet are just slipping. I mean, I could try to hold them there. Yeah, stock Honda pegs. They're not really the best. Don't really suggest. And it kind of rhymes. Definitely get aftermarket. Or just sharpen them regularly like you're supposed to. I'm gonna have to do a whole bunch of sharpening with a file when I get home, I guess. My parents are gonna be like, well, why are you doing that? You're gonna, yeah, when you crash, you're gonna hurt your leg. You're gonna poke your shins. That's what my dad keeps telling me. So I'm just like, Dad, that's not what's gonna happen. I I have boots on. It's not gonna rip open my shins. I literally have boots on, bro. I have boots on. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Was I in first there? Yeah, this is first. I had no clue what gear I was in there. Farm might be going up on the market soon. The owner might put it up, so you know. Kind of sad, but you know, can't really hunt anywhere nowadays in like a public spot. It sucks. But I mean, how much he wants for this is like 20 mil, so like I don't think anyone around, and also with how high the interest rates are, I don't think anyone's gonna buy it. So I think we're pretty much safe. This field's kind of, I mean, this field's all right, but like, I want to go like just kind of putt around. Honestly, I want to go on trails. That's what I want to do. I want to go ride trails. I just don't feel that safe with these pegs. Oh yeah, I just almost slipped off there while I tried to stand up. Yeah, I'm gonna have my heels just hold me when I go to stand up, I guess. Now I know there's water down here. No clue where it is, but I know there's water on the edge. I think it's over there, down there. Actually, I don't really want to get the, man, we're already sending it. Frick it. I mean, we're already riding. Please don't be a big stick. Okay, it wasn't. Okay. Hidden ruts up over here, so I'm gonna stay on like the edge of the field. And I suck at riding through ruts, as you know, because that's just how I be. I just absolutely stink. I'm sure I'm in third, maybe second. Why don't we? Cows look to be doing pretty good. What is that in the field? Log? From the looks of it, yeah. Okay. How muddy it is. I want to go look at the trails though. But we did get a lot of rain last